Welcome to the Exchange Daily. Starting this week, we're changing it up a bit. Each day from Monday through Saturday, we will focus on one of the 6 pillars of Matora Solutions' Policy-Aware Validation and Estimation Framework, otherwise known as PAVE. This structure helps us deliver targeted, high-impact intelligence aligned with how federal and enterprise leaders actually evaluate and validate major IT, cyber, and acquisition investments under the FY 2026 NDAA. The weekly lineup runs as follows. Monday covers Pillar A on mission alignment and business outcomes. Tuesday focuses on Pillar B policy and compliance. Wednesday addresses Pillar C cost financial benchmarking and workforce. Thursday covers Pillar D technical viability and architecture. Friday is Pillar E user experience and human systems integration, and Saturday wraps the week with Pillar F security and risk, which is today's topic. Section 866 of the FY 2026 National Defense Authorization Act directs the Department of Defense to harmonize cybersecurity requirements across the defense industrial base. The goal is to reduce the proliferation of bespoke, contract-specific cyber mandates that create unnecessary compliance burden without improving security outcomes. This harmonization effort is intended to create a more consistent baseline while still allowing for mission-specific protections where genuinely required. Defense contractors and program offices should prepare for updated guidance that consolidates overlapping requirements into clearer, more uniform standards. Closely linked is Section 877, which focuses on enhanced security strategies for private 5G wireless networks operating on military installations. This provision mandates the use of hardware bills of materials and operational validation of zero-trust principles for these networks. As private 5G deployments expand to support logistics, maintenance, and operational functions, ensuring strong supply chain visibility and zero-trust controls becomes essential to prevent new attack surfaces from emerging at the edge. Across the software development lifecycle, continuous security posture monitoring remains a foundational requirement. The Secure Software Development Framework provides a structured approach for integrating security practices from planning through deployment and sustainment. When combined with Cloud Security Requirements Guide impact levels, organizations gain clearer visibility into the security state of their systems and can more effectively prioritize remediation efforts based on risk. Red teaming protocols and automated vulnerability scanning continue to serve as critical tools for identifying weaknesses before adversaries do. These activities are particularly important for AI-enabled and hybrid cloud environments where traditional testing approaches may miss novel attack vectors. Programs that maintain rigorous, ongoing red teaming programs alongside automated scanning are better positioned to detect and close gaps in near real time. AI-specific incident response planning is emerging as a distinct discipline. As organizations increase their reliance on AI systems for decision support and automation, they must develop response playbooks that address unique risks such as model poisoning, data exfiltration through inference attacks, and cascading failures in agentic systems. Standard incident response frameworks require adaptation to account for these characteristics. Finally, operational validation of zero-trust principles, supported by telemetry from cloud SRG impact levels, provides the visibility needed to verify that security controls are functioning as intended in production environments. This combination of architectural principles and measurable telemetry helps organizations move from compliance checkboxes to demonstrable security outcomes. That's the Exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you next time for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. The Exchange newscasts and newsletters are productions of Matora Solutions, LLC. Matora is both a hub zone and a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. While every effort is made to keep details accurate as of publication time, readers and listeners should always confirm time-sensitive items, such as policy changes, budget figures, and timelines directly with official documents and briefings. The Exchange is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal, investment, procurement, security, compliance, technical, or any other form of professional advice. No attorney-client, advisor-client, or other professional relationship is created by listening to or reading this content. Always consult qualified professionals and validate with primary sources before taking any action. All information is from publicly available sources. All rights reserved. Copyright Matora Solutions LLC 2026.